Hello, this is Dr. Hind Libdawi, and I teach finance at the School of Business Administration at Akhawayn University in EFMD. Finance is the language of business. Our Bachelor of Business Administration's finance track helps you speak it with confidence. Banks, investment firms, corporations, and startups all need people who can read numbers and make decisions. And that's exactly what we train you to do. Thanks to our North American liberal arts system and student-centric approach, we will help you build skills in financial modeling and analysis, investment strategy, and risk management through real business case studies, experiential learning, and real data from the market. We will put you on the shoes of an analyst, financial investor, or a decision maker before you even graduate. We're proud to see our graduates join leading banks, investment firms, and consulting companies, and finance teams locally and internationally. So, if you're driven by numbers and want a career that truly matters, finance is your track. Just bring your passion. We'll take care of the rest. Bye.